So I was tuning the carbs on my sled, and I noticed my track was running a little funny. It's totally hitting the left side. So then I got to looking at my jack shaft, which if you see there, you can see the rusted and then the shiny. The shiny was where the bearing was, and it's come out about a ½ inch. So come along with me as I pop my chain case open and see what the heck is going on. Let's prop a light up. Last time I rode, I did feel kind of a bang. I figured it was probably ice. Didn't think anything of it. And yeah, continued riding for another, I don't know, 70 miles. So let me get a flathead. Oh, sick. Not seeing any fluid. So that's a plus. That's always a great sign. And I just did all this. Oh, sick. Lots and lots of metal. That's always a good sign. So let me get this gasket out of the way. Oh, nice. We chewed up. Oh, yeah, that's awesome. We chewed up. What did we chew up? Looks like the washer. So let me. Oh, geez. Let me loosen that up real quick. Oh, there we go. Oh, baby. So relatively speaking, gear looks good. Chain, not bad. Top gear, not bad. All right. Sick. Let's see what's left. Boltment, right? Oh yeah, she threads in. We'll reuse that. Oh, blew my fucking chain case out. Son of a bitch. Well, that's no fun. I thought we got away clean. Not so clean. Well, looks like we're getting a new chain case. Son of a biscuit.